Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can follow along, bake along with me, and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making a skillet brownie. Now, I have made a skillet chocolate chip cookie before. That is incredible. What's better than a warm chocolate chip cookie, except a bigger version of it? So this is a skillet brownie version, which I am very interested to see how this turns out. But really, how could this be bad? I mean, seriously, a big giant brownie. I can't think of anything. This recipe is so easy. You can do everything right on your stovetop. I'm going to mix the dry ingredients separately and some of the wet ingredients separately just to make it all mixed together better. Go ahead and get your pan ready. I am using a very well oiled / seasoned cast iron pan, so it should not stick. If you have a non-stick pan that is oven proof, go ahead and use that. I am, of course, adding one special ingredient because chocolate and espresso powder, they're best buddies. So, can't resist adding in. This is a ½ teaspoon, totally optional. It's not in the recipe, but I'm adding it in. Since I love to sing about baking so much, it brought to mind this song. I really can't wait, not one single day longer. We're baking this right now. Yes, we are. Do, 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 do. Yeah, let's get to it. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now let's mix some of the wet ingredients. Eggs, vanilla. Let's mix the dry ingredients, all-purpose flour, and that espresso powder, which is optional. Turn to medium-low heat. Add your butter. Let this melt first. Add your chocolate. Wait for this to fully melt. Turn off the heat. Whisk in your sugar. Whisk in your eggs and vanilla. You want to move quickly so it does not cook your eggs. Whisk in your flour. Whisk until there are no streaks remaining. It's looking good. Don't forget to add the salt like I did. I'm going to add it on top and I'm going to stir it around just a little bit and it'll be fine. At this point, you would fold in nuts, if you're using them, into the oven for 20 to 27 minutes until the middle is still a little gooey, and then you take it out. It's been about 24 minutes. The sides look set and the center looks gooey. Let's take a look at it with a toothpick. It's still a little gooey in the center. It's perfect. Let's take it out. Here's where you have options. Do you want to eat this hot from the oven with a giant scoop of vanilla ice cream or other flavor? You could do that if you want. I'm going to let this cool for a little bit and then try it. Of course, warm. It's still a little warm, but let's go ahead and scoop some out. Oh my, a little gooey, but that is great for a brownie. Well, of course, not that I had any doubts, but that skillet brownie turned out perfectly. I took a scoop of it here. All on the taste, always. And by the way, this is warm. Who doesn't like that? Ooh, it's definitely gooey. Oh, yes. A warm brownie. I mean, come on, what could be better? Okay, fine. There might be other things in the category, but this is delicious. You can top this with ice cream. I'd like you to think beyond. If you were to put marshmallows on top and toast them, you sort of have like a s'mores-like feel. The possibilities are endless. If I can make a skillet brownie for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check me out on Instagram for so much more.